How to care for your non-stick cookware items. So basically this is my new non-stick pot that I have got. However, take a look at the old one. Can you see this design? What has happened is I have placed another non-stick smaller size inside it and it has scratched and created this design. So basically this is spoiled. So I'll tell you what to do in order to avoid these kind of scratches. Line your non-stick cookware with a cloth like this. Any cloth that you all have additional, ensure that it's big. Small is useless because it might still touch the edges and scratch. And then place your other non-stick vessel or other vessel inside it. So isn't this nice? So this will save your non-stick cookware from getting damaged. Even spoons that you use, this is a silicone spoon. You get a lot of them like this and they are quite reasonably priced. If you don't have them, you can use wooden spoon, or with your non-stick cooking range sometimes you get those fiber kind of spoon which is safe to use for this cooking ware. So ensure that you do not use a metal spoon, otherwise it will give scratches when you stir something. Finally, cleaning your non-stick cookware. When your pans are hot, please do not put them in water. Allow it to cool down at room temperature. Once it is cool, that's when you add water, and using a sponge, clean it. Do not use the rough side of the sponge, only the spongy side, the soft side. No steel wool, nothing. And this will be easy enough to maintain your non-stick cookware nicely and for long time. If you liked this hack, please do not forget to leave in a comment. And for those of y'all who are new out here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting tips and tricks. I'll see you next time on Tip Lab. Bye for now.